Hey, what is up, guys? Welcome back
Hey,
to my
good people.
channel. Welcome back to my channel. This is Himu, and this is,
Mugdha.
and we are like it's third day of our like English speaking
But I
series.
didn't.
It's English speaking challenge, and we are speaking in this series publicly, and
Yeah.
we can see we in front of
It's a
Swapna,
robbery,
and
you know.
it's a public place.
That's why I'm thinking too much.
Too much. Mugdha is try to buy something, and he came to Swapno. It's Swapno.
Yeah, it's
It's Swapno, and came here to buy something.
Thaka discount.
Now we will go to fix our laptop.
Not
And
our.
not ours.
His
It's
sister's.
mine, but he will go with me to fix it. I am grabbing a phone and doing a vlog in publicly, and he said that it is not a big deal. He can do it, and
It's easy,
now,
man.
and now do it.
I did it, man.
You grab a phone now.
Yeah. Oh, do you need guys banana?
Tell something. We just going to do some shopping, and we are like walking beside the road, and
Please up the volume.
just he did like almost hit by car.
I just need a sugar cane juice. He will not buy for me.
Buy for me now. Like we are going to market, and it will be closed if we
There is a
do
sugar
not
cane.
came here at Sattar Khan market to fix
Tell
our
me what
laptop.
is it?
What? It is escalator. Escalator. We came here at the shop. Mugdha is sitting there. This is new battery, and this is old one. I don't know what. They have two quality battery, and this is much price here. I don't know it is original or fake. This is the old battery and new battery. Like they put new battery inside the laptop. Try to open. We just fix my laptop.
It's take too much time.
It takes too
I
much
feel
time.
bored.
Almost like half an
And
hour.
he will give me a treat. I feel hungry. If he will not give me a treat,
There.
he will be the most bad people.
What do you wanna eat?
Kachi?
Now we are on the way to buy a watch. It's kind of table watch. We will bought.
Yeah.
You are flexing, like not flexing. You're watching your face all of the time. Whenever I like open my camera.
Because you only it's not your personal blog, brother. It's our blog. I need to show my face.
Yes, but I am not caring about my face.
It will be food blog.
We like just like arrived from Sattar market, and we wanted to buy like watch, but watch shop are closed, and he's eating food. Give me a food review. Give us a food review.
It's a best shop. Best hotel.
That is not a perfect way to review these things. You have to be like it's a crunchy inside and thin, crunchy outside and tender inside, and it's
After the 18th season, we went to go the shop,
want to go the shop.
where we can find some
Ladies t-shirt. Ladies t-shirt.
okay
Yes, ladies t-shirt,
for
and
his sister. Not think anything else.
the vehicles are crazy here. And
Anytime, any point.
you eat, but I am a health conscious person. That's why I didn't take some food from outside. I like to eat from home, like homemade food.
One man staring on us.
Staring at us. He's looking at us, constantly looking at us, and telling what he's doing. Let's end the video, and that's it for today.
Today I am not talking too much.
Too much.
Next video I will talking
He
too
was
much.
a bit upset.
No, I am not upset, brother.
And you can see the intensity of people over there. And
There's too much people around us.
we make video for you, and like, subscribe, and comment. And goodbye.
It's English.